If you want to block someone on ProtonMail, follow these simple steps to ensure you no longer receive emails from that sender. Step 1. Log into your ProtonMail account. Open your web browser and go to the ProtonMail website. Enter your credentials to log into your account. Step 2. Open the email from the sender. Navigate to your inbox and find the email from the person you wish to block. Click on the email to open it. Step 3. Access the email options. Once the email is open, look for the three-dot menu icon or the options menu usually located at the top right corner of the email window. Step 4. Select Block Sender. From the Options menu, select the Block Sender option. This will prevent future emails from this sender from appearing in your inbox. Step 5. Confirm the block. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm that you want to block the sender. Confirm your choice to complete the process. Now you can enjoy a cleaner inbox without unwanted emails from the block sender. If you ever change your mind, you can unblock them by following similar steps.